guys. Hello guys. Andito na ako, galing naglalakad. Magsiseryos tayo ngayon nga kanta. Yung parang galing sa ating kadibdiban. Kadibdiban. Diyos ko po. Okay, kakanta tayo na. Tingnan natin kung ayos ba tayo kumanta. Ito kunyari. Silip-silip lang. Mahangin ba sa labas? Patayin ko nga yung electric fan kasi nasisira yung aking buhok. Electric fan tayo, kaya tayo lang nandito. Hindi tayo pwedeng gumamit ng aircon kasi nga, lamigin ako. Kanta tayo. Every now and then we find a special friend who never let us down. I know you can stay. Parts of you will never fade away. My heart will stay. I'll make a wish for you and hope it will come true. That life has just begun to set it into mind. If you lost in your way, think back on yesterday. Remember me this way. Remember me this way. And I'll be pressing at you beside you. Oh. Ako dito sa loob ng bahay. Walang music, walang radio, walang television, wala kang sofa na hilataan. Wala. As in, sarili mong music. Guys, yun lang talaga dito. Sapatos, makikita mo, lamisa, wala na. From this moment, life has begun. From this moment, you are the one right beside me. As far as the line, from this moment on. Wait lang kuya! Dito na ako. Nagano ng tubig. May tubig pa kami. Saan na ako doon? Banda? I give my